What do you think?
This is the best ride.
Right? These roads, man.
Long time, man.
Absolutely. One of my favorite rides so far.
We're ripping.
By the way, for the record, I am not speeding. I don't know what he's talking about.
That is pretty cool. All right, let's launch the drone.
All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. Fly&Ride here. I've got an awesome ride for you. It is nice and early, beautiful sunrise. Sandstorm is ready to go. And we're headed to Hawks Nest, New York with the crew, over 10 bikes. My first time going to Hawks Nest, and I'm taking you with me. I'm Fly&Ride on this channel. I focus on motovlogs, ride videos, ride reviews, all on my 2020 Streetlight CVO called Sandstorm that you see right there. I feature cinematic drone footage, flying my DJI MAVIC 2 drone, and we do product reviews, product upgrades, destination rides like we're about to do today, group rides, all things here on the Fly&Ride channel. So do me a favor, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that bell notification so you can be reminded of future content like this one. We've got over 10 bikes headed out. A lot of us from the crew are going. We've got some new folks that are coming out. And again, we're taking you with us. I've got the drone ready to go. And I'm gonna show you some really epic images and footage from this famous area in New York. Let me know down in the comments below if you've ever been, if you've heard about it. Again, I've been wanting to go there for, frankly, since I got the bike, and I just for whatever reason, I've not been able to get there. It's about 2 hours from here. So we're meeting up, we're gonna do a bunch of stops along the way. And then as we get closer, we've got a local guy that's riding with us that we're meeting for the first time. He knows all the great back roads, twisties, beautiful scenery as we approach Hawks Nest. And then from there, I'm gonna launch the drone. I'm gonna show you all of the bikes. And it's gonna be, again, an epic ride. So you're gonna wanna stick around. Let's give you a nice cold start. All right, I'm gonna turn the 360 on as I start heading out because you're not gonna wanna miss this beautiful sunrise. Not a lot of talking on the way to the first few meeting spots. Once we get closer to it, you're gonna start to see some pretty epic footage here. All the roads, all of the bikes, especially as we approach Hawks Nest. So again, you're gonna wanna stick around.
So this is a better quality.
Yeah?
Yeah, mine was like 60 bucks, but look at this, and it matches the stitching. I think I'm gonna go for it. Now I'm jealous.
So now I'm inspiring.
Yeah, I'm gonna go for that.
All right, everybody, we got a bunch of the crew back there. Hopefully you can see them. We stopped at the Wawa here in Parsippany, New Jersey. We're gonna meet up with Gil's friend. He knows all the back roads. And then we're gonna head to Hawks Nest, so you're not gonna wanna miss it. Got a bunch of us here today. Not everybody, but we got a good sized crew. George, Glenn, Nadal Jr. You got Jerry over there, you got Bo back there. So we're meeting Gil's friend now. He knows all the back roads. And then from there, we're gonna head straight to Hawks Nest. Nice. That's right. All right, we're almost at Hawk's Nest. We're waiting for the rest of the guys to catch up. We're on 650 East, right? Or West?
50 west.
Say hi to Stu, everybody. Stu, thank you. This is awesome, man. I appreciate you taking us on these roads. Bo, what do you think?
Man, what's up? This is the best ride.
Right? These roads,
In a
man.
long time, man.
Absolutely.
We
One of
are-
my
we
favorite
are
rides so far.
aggressive. We're ripping the road up, baby. We're ripping the road up. And I'm
All right, we got Gil back there waiting for him. Everybody's riding their own ride, but man, that was fun. Check out all the bikes. George's freaking awesome Indian. Junior, Senior, and Gil.
Junior and senior citizen.
That was one of my favorite roads that I have ever been on, though.
It was nice, right?
Oh my God, I loved it.
going so fast instead of enjoying the view.
I'm enjoying everything, man. I'm enjoying everything.
I mean, I was going like 45, 50, and then all of a sudden.
By the way, for the record, I am not speeding. I don't know what he's talking about. I'm just riding. All right, let's roll. Stu was nice enough to let me install that camera on the back of his 2022 Lowrider ST. Stu, thank you. Appreciate you. Got the crew all back there. Beautiful riding over here, man.
That is pretty cool. All right, let's launch the drone. got him right there. That was the Dow Jr. who just passed by. And that's Hawk's Nest for you. Do me a favor, if you like this content, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that bell notification so you get reminded of future content like this one. All right, so look, hopefully you enjoyed that epic ride with the crew. We're at Hawk's Nest, my first time here. I've given you 360 views, I've given you windy roads, I've given you all sorts of points of view, so do me a favor. If you like this kind of content, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that bell notification so you can be reminded of future content. This is what it's all about, hanging with the crew, amazing roads, beautiful weather, beautiful scenery, and enjoying these amazing machines. So we're gonna wrap it up here. We've got a 2-hour ride back. I'm not gonna film the ride back. I'm just gonna enjoy the ride. I was filming all the way here, obviously, for your enjoyment. Now I'm gonna get a time to just enjoy the ride on the way back home. Thanks again for watching.